Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Golden Ticket Assembly. I hope you've all had an amazing half term and had a lovely holiday. Just took it easy, maybe did a little bit of reading, but hopefully you had a nice rest over that half term. I know I did, and I know lots of the teachers did as well. You see, today it's Friday, the 26th of February 2021, and we're here for nursery reception, year 1 and year 2. And all of those children who've just been on it straight away after half term, working feverishly straight away. It has been amazing. So thank you everyone out there. I'm going to start this morning with our nursery children, and here we go. This child has been working really hard, both at home and at school. She is kind to her friends and inquisitive about the world around her. She really is. This child always tries her best and works hard. She shows a can-do attitude and loves to learn, always with a beaming smile on her face. Absolutely. Golden tickets this morning go to Maya and Nafi. Here they are. Look at Maya, look. Amazing work there. Look at her in the snow. Lovely picture that. It's really, really lovely. And look at Nafi here. Look at those big smiles. Both of them, both girls, really, really smiling, but really working so hard as well. So well done, girls. Well deserved. And take these home with you on Friday as well. So huge congratulations, girls. Great start to nursery. Brilliant. Well done. Moving on. Here we go. We'll see. Look, this turtle class. Look at this child. This child has worked so hard at home and always completes the home learning activities. Keep up the amazing work. Willow, here she is. Look at Willow, look at her. Look, with Daddy there, reading away. Brilliant, looks so comfy there. And then with your little, look, all your little figurines and everything else, that looks such a brilliant little play area as well. And working so hard and doing your sticking and making sure you do your story map in the correct order. Willow, that's so well deserved, hun. Keep it up. I know you're always smiling as well, so well deserved. And look out for this in the post, hun. It'll be coming to you soon. Congratulations. And thank you, Daddy, as well. Thanks for doing lots of listening to reading. Moving on to sharp class. This child really has come a long way over the last few weeks. He really has. As a happy member of Turtle class, he really is coming out of his shell and working hard in maths and phonics. So is. Well done. Dorian! There he is. Look at Dorian. Honestly, Dorian, you've been working so hard, buddy. It's really, really pleasing to see. Keep it up. Keep working hard. I know Mummy's going to be really, really proud of you when you take this home with you on Friday. So congratulations. Well done. Moving on, here we go to year 1. Miss Marshall says, this child has won the golden ticket because their behaviour has been excellent this week. It really has. It's been a real turnaround and it has been fairly amazing. They've been more considerate of others, worked hard to complete work, and even when they have made a mistake, they have been amazing. Huge congratulations to Freddie. Look at Freddie. Freddie, you absolute superstar. Really well done, buddy. You've got to keep this up now because you are a golden ticket winner. So you know what to do and how to earn these. So really well done. Take this home with you on Friday. Your mum and dad are going to be overjoyed. Really, really well done. Okay, buddy? Congratulations. Moving on. Miss Begum. Miss Begum says, this child has been a dedicated learner, an amazing friend and very helpful at home throughout lockdown, which is really, really important. Everything they do is set to an exceptionally high standard. They always try their best and work extremely hard. They certainly do, and that's all the time. It is Scarlett. Here's Scarlett. Look at Scarlett. Look at her going on her bike. Look at her whizzing off with her sunglasses on. Okay, amazing writing as well, Scarlett. Fantastic, really well done. Thank you so much for all of your hard work. Thank you for all the helping out as well that you are doing at home. And look out for this coming in the post, right? Really well done, Scarlett. Proud of you. Moving on to year 2. Here we go. Look at Miss Howkins says this child has been amazing progress since he started at our school. He has a brilliant attitude to learning and always tries his absolute best. So a bit of a clue there, someone who's just started at our school. He's made fantastic progress with his reading and become so much more confident in his maths. He certainly has. Congratulations to Jacob May. Here he is. Look at that, Jacob. Look at you. Maths there. Look at all the maths, the time, telling the time. It is amazing. Big smile on your face as well while you're doing it. Jacob, really well deserved, buddy. You'll take this home with you on Friday as well. I'm so proud of you. Such a great start to Milecross Primary School, and see how many of these you can earn in your journey through all the year groups, right? Really well done. Proud of you. Moving on. Here we go. Mrs. Cook, look at this. This week's golden ticket in 2C is someone who bounces into school every morning with a great smile on their face. They certainly do, and they make me smile. They have worked so hard this term and have become much more confident. Even when they find something tricky, they're determined to try and tick and fix their work. Tick and fix, and all those year 2s do. Well done to Perla. Here she is. Well done, Perla. Absolute superstar, really well done. Keep building up on that confidence. Keep doing all that really hard work. Take this home with you on Friday as well. Really, really do deserve it. I know Mrs. Cook is really proud of you, and so am I, and so will Mum and Dad. So well done. Congratulations. Congratulations, obviously, to everyone. Well done, everyone. If it isn't you this week, keep working as hard as you can. Whether it's at school or at home, please do. We've got one more week at home. One more week, that's all. And then hopefully we'll all be back on March 8th. But I'll talk about it in a minute. But one more week at home to really see if you can earn a golden ticket at home. To keep it up. Just want to say here, I'm just like to celebrate this morning. Look, all of our children, I've got to say these things here. Heroes stuck inside. Heroes and hearing scary news. Missing out on playing and chances to learn. Heroes who cracked the NHS, painted rainbows and adapted to new classrooms at home. Heroes with smiles on their faces, bringing smiles to our faces. Just thank you for Mr. Allen, because all of you children are heroes to me. You have been amazing throughout this whole past year. You've been phenomenal. Thank you so much. All of those smiles, all of that hard work has helped me to do what I've done and helped all the teachers, helped mums and dads as well. You are absolute heroes and we salute you, you superstars. Finally, looking forward to seeing those smiling faces on Monday, the 8th of March. Yes, we are finally there, everyone. We've got one more week and then school will be open on Monday, the 8th of March for everyone. And we'll carry on as we did in the autumn term. So looking forward to seeing everyone then. Bye-bye now.